Well, interesting time. Today we are replacing the Google One with Google 3. So I just got this Google 3. I'm upgrading Google 3, but I am trading in my Google One. I have never traded in anything before, but this is a good deal. I can trade in my old phone and get credit for it. I don't know how much it was. I think it's $100. Anyhow, this is say goodbye to my Google phone. And just want to take a look at this Google phone. You can see that it's still brand new, not even a scratch. I kept this phone very well, even though I used the shit out of it, but it was in the case from day one, so it's still brand new. Okay, well, now I'm gonna reset it and trade it in.